everybody, what is up? My name is Gerald, this is my YouTube channel, and I'm going to talk to you today about the guitar. So we have 6 strings on the guitar from top to bottom. It's E, so you want to make sure you have a tuner. This is the most important part I'm about to explain here. So you want to make sure that your guitar is in tune when you first get it, when you put strings on it, if it should already come with strings. I don't even know why I said that. So E is your first string, A is your second string, D is your third string, G is your fourth string, B is your fifth string, and E again is your 6th string. So you just find what's comfortable for you, and then you can start sort of playing the guitar. Stuff like that. You just start playing, right? I guess the next thing I should explain is the fretboard. You have like 0, I call it 0, which is just your strings playing them open. This is the first fret, or number 1. That's an F. And then that's a semitone, so every single fret represents a semitone on the fretboard. The easiest way to do it is to count like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Couple of the first songs I ever learned when I was 7 years old was Smoke on the Water, and I actually held the guitar on my lap like this and started playing like this, I guess, because the first song I learned was Smoke on the Water. Smoke on the Water is just, you play the G string and the D string combined. You play the 0, and then you play 3, and then 5, and then 0, 3, and then 6, 5, and 0, 3, 5, and then 3, 0. And that's tab. Tab's the easiest way to learn. So if I was going to learn like a little lick, let's say, I would start off by playing it really slowly. And even slower than that, maybe even. So and just start off slowly all the time. Don't get ahead of yourself. It's like with anything, it's just step by step. You start off with the easy steps. Back in Black's another easy song by AC/DC. A lot of AC/DC songs are good songs to learn because they're like usually 3 or 4 chords, and they're straightforward usually. So Back in Black is like an E, and then a D, and then an A, and then that little lick is so I usually do a kind of a count like so on the 3rd beat is when it does that little. Yeah, that's all I have to talk about. I really don't know what else to talk about. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll be making more videos. I'll talk about E's and A's and B's and C's and G's and D's and minors and majors.